Good morning, everyone. Bonjour, tout le monde. Today, May 6th in the morning, I'm doing the recap of yesterday. So let's get started. I put my opening range, the yellow line here, and the yellow line here that I'm going to adjust after 15 minutes. This is my box I'm starting to draw. So 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. This is basically 931. I've got my first candle, then the highest stick from within the next 5 candles, and the lowest stick, and I just draw a box. So that would be like this roughly. Okay, so 9:34, I'm gonna get started looking at the 5 minutes on the top right, the 15 minutes on the mid right, and the 1 hour. Looks like we're going up over there on the right side. Well, now we're going down, down, down. Okay, let's see what happened. I'm waiting for 5 candles. I'm going to draw a box. This is VWAP 200, the dotted line. VWAP la 200, the yellow is the 9th. This thin blue is 250. Which is all my EMAs here. I transfer them here as well. So an EMA value that, let's say this is the 50 on the top right. A 50 is C, 5 times 50, it's 250. 250 would be the white right here. Thin white. This thicker white is my 200 for the 1 minute. This is the 250. This is a 1000 for the 200 on this 5-minute chart. I'll repeat all that. Je vais tout répéter souvent, donc vous allez comprendre. Okay, I'm drawing my box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 4, 5. All right. Waiting for candle to close above or below. I didn't take it. A lot of traffic, right? This dotted line, this is the dash prior close. Let's see if we keep going up. I'm waiting for 5 candles. J'attends pour 5 chandelles. This is a pivot right here, resistance. This yellow line here tells me that we are in a trend, uptrend. Okay, 9:45, almost here. This is 9:45 candle. Goes. Is that 9:45? 9:45. Okay, that's the highest candle we got here. The lowest so far, it's this one, 245. I'm going to draw a box for this une boîte. All right. So what we want to see here, I would like to see this candle to close around here. Then I would like it to go back and test either this one or my 9th here, and then go back up. All right, so let's see what happens here. 23 seconds. So looks like we're going up here. So I could take I think it's gonna go back down. Could be risky here. Risky, not taking it. Okay. We can see we're going back down to the big candle here. Very strong, long wick, pushing up. Let's get my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, here we haven't closed above. Oh, wait a minute. This is 599, 600. That's good. And the one below is 470, 480, 480, 79. That's good. Okay, so I'm looking for a candle to close above or below. That will tell me which direction it will go. most likely. Nothing is sure. Le secret ici, c'est d'essayer de gérer les risques. So you have to manage your risk. That's the most important thing here. See, you got strong candle going down right now. I want to see if it closed below the highest, the prior close, and below the 50. But I got a lot of traffic. It did not close. It could be just a small pullback, and then it could go back down. ITR 24.57 here, which is very good, strong. Look, I'm below right here. The wick went below my prior close and is below my 50. And I got what, 9. I'm gonna put about 10 points. Let's see if I could catch $100 here. Excuse me. It's
order submitted.
Let's see if I catch it. Needs to go back down.
Target filled.
Okay, I got it. 110. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 2 more trades like this and I'm done for the day. Let me go a little faster. 10 times is usually the fastest I go. So this one is about to close. Look, I've got my 200 and this is my 1000, I believe. 200 from the 5 minute, 5 times more, 1000. Could go down all the way to here. VWAP. We need to get this. There's a gap here. Maybe we may go back down here. Here, 5 minutes. Tableau de 5 minutes, elle touche presque la 50. It may stop here. It may not go further down. Let's see. Yeah, it did. So let's see how far it goes. No, too dangerous. I'm not going for it. I'm not going because of the VWAP here. I'm afraid it's not going to make it down. J'ai peur que ça va pas descendre jusqu'au VWAP ici. Okay, this is keep going down. I would have made it probably. Yeah. Oh yeah, I would have made it big time. Okay, you see how it goes, comes back all the way down here. This is 7 seconds. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a good chance it keeps going down. Bonne chance que ça continue. Oh, je vais pas faire. Il faut que j'attende. I have to wait until I get 5 candles. If I don't wait, I draw the wrong spot. See this candle right here, 51, 55, 56, 0. This is my pivot. Pivot number 5 here. Okay. Now, this is dangerous to take a trade in this area. The pivot, there's a big chance it goes back up. And right here, I've got my prior. This is what prior open, I believe. One is the purple is purple is prior close, prior open. Look, if I look on the 5 minutes, we did go all the way down here, so there's a chance, il y a une chance qu'on descende jusqu'ici en bas. Let me close the door behind me. Alright, so I'm not taking any trade for now. Why? Because of the pivot. Je ne prends pas de trade à cause du pivot. Dangerous. Pivot or dangerous. 1000 dangerous. VWAP dangerous. 200 dangerous. So where I like to make my money is right here, in this area here, or in this area there. 5, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Let's see what happened. Only one trade. It was a 10 o'clock, no news. Usually we don't like to trade at 10 o'clock. On n'aime pas ça faire des transactions à 10 heures, du fait qu'il y a des nouvelles et la volatilité est très haute. Very high volatility at 10 o'clock during news time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, see it close above. I could get into it, but there's too much traffic. The 200, the 50, the 1000. I'm not going there. See, we don't know which direction it's taking. C'est some sort of consolidating. Un peu de consolidation ici. Look on the 5 minutes, what's happening. And trading in the opening range can be tough. As you can see, nothing is clear. Even if I'm looking for 2.75 points, même si je cherche 5, même si je cherche 2.75 points, it can be difficult to trade when you've got that much traffic. You want something clear, you want something no risk, faut que ça soit clair, pas de risque. Then you take your trade. Long wick, up and down, you know, this is dojis. It doesn't know where it's going for now. Right in the middle of VWAP, you don't want to trade there. The 9, the 20, the blue. All right, is it coming down a little bit? Nope. All right, I'm going to stop here. I'm going to draw my box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's all about risk management, guys. That's all it is. Take risk, you can break your neck. Don't take risk, you won't break your neck. Okay, what do I have here? I've got 46 seconds. But I've got the yellow dot, which is my opening range, right? Then I've got this this one here. What is it? I forget. The 1000, which is a 200 on my 5. I put it there. There's a good chance that it stopped there and rebound. Let's see what happened. 6 seconds. See, it's really bounced back here. This candle here, la chandelle ici, elle s'est fermée below this blue box. I could have got in, but no. Why? Because this wick touched this opening range, which means that the chance that I go down below this is less than if it did cross. And I'm too close. Even if I'm 78, 86, I'm 8 points. J'ai 8 points de différence. C'est encore trop près. ATR is good though, but too close. You want space to go and get your 2.75 points. Tu vas avoir de l'espace pour aller chercher ton 2.75 points ici. Il n'y a pas assez d'espace. Not enough space to do a trade. This is a huge candle, right? 10.25. Let's see what happened here. I've got, let's see, 16 6 seconds. So what do I do with this? Very, very big candle. My experience is it's dangerous. A lot of stuff is dangerous in the market, huh? So what do? Do you take a trade? Do you try to go and get some 2.75 points, or you wait? Because I can lose quite a bit. I can lose what I made so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is my 5th candle. I could enter here because it did break above. So, in real time, I would not take it. So I'm not taking it. Let's see. Maybe I could have, it said did take it, 35, maybe I could have, 35, 67, 30, it would have been tight. I'm glad I didn't take it. You see guys, big candle like this, we say it's exhaustion candle. Donc la chandelle, elle s'est tout pris ça. All the consolidation here, it was gathering power. La consolidation ici, c'était d'essayer d'aller chercher de la puissance. And it took all that power and put it in this candle. Ça a pris toute la puissance. So she's exhausted, elle est très fatiguée. Donc, then we see a move back down. Each time you have a very long candle, you have to watch out. It may reverse. Chaque fois qu'on voit une grosse chandelle, la plupart du temps, ça va faire un revirement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 candles. Look, we're going in consolidation. Nothing for now. This is my 1000. There, went down. So this could have been a great trade here. I didn't take it. I'm going too fast. I'm going to slow down a little bit here. I'm not going to take any trades. I'm going to wait until I get 5 candles. Usually, again, guys, when you go down, when you cross this here, usually you go back up. You may retest this and then go again. Let's see if it happens. That's the most secure way of taking a trend. And don't forget, this is a pivot here. Pivot are nasty. Stay away from the pivot. All right, let's go. Let's keep going down. 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5 candles. So far nothing. Okay, I got 9 seconds left. I got my VWAP, my 50, my 250, my 200, my 1000. I mean, this is bad here. Too much resistance. I'm not going in there. We may pass all this if we do good. Difficult, but we did. All right, I didn't take it. At least I'm managing my risk. Guys, you know what's the good news? I still have $110. Ça, c'est la bonne nouvelle. J'ai encore $110. Could have lost everything and much more. Okay, this is going down. Going back up. Nothing great for now. Let's see, 5 candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops. Let me bring this down a little bit. Hopefully we're going up. Okay, look, this is a trend up. We have a candle here. We're right in the middle of the range, which is usually not that great to trade. We've got these dotted line tells me there's a resistance right here. And we did close. Hold on a second, I don't know what's going on here. All right. It's 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. back down again, but I'm not taking these trades. You're gonna tell me, yeah, you could have taken it, you would have got it. Yes, c'est vrai, j'aurais pu la prendre, j'aurais pu l'avoir. They're risky. They're very risky. And this is a game of risk. If you let 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you let yourself take risk, you're going to lose, that's for sure. Consolidation, look at the 5 minutes, look at the 15, look at the hour, nothing, no clear vision of where we're going so far. This one looks like we're going down here, so what do we have? This is pretty good, solid black, solid red, solid red. 30 seconds left, let's see what it gives me. 27, 17, 7 seconds. 7 seconds. Poof, see, push up, the wick is pushing up, the wick is pushing up. I'm not taking it. Okay. 2, 4, 5, I could have got it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know, guys, everybody will do this, what I'm doing right now, and you may do much better than I do, because you're going to get used to take your own, manage your own risk. Donc, ça se peut fort bien que vous soyez bien meilleur que moi dans ce que je fais en ce moment. Vous allez gérer vos risques d'une façon différente, qui peut être plus lucratif pour vous que celui pour moi dans l'instant. Ok. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I started at 1 and that's 5. That's perfect. Oh, I'm missing something here. This one here, close below here. But we have we have that pivot, so we keep going for now. You see how it did click and it touched the pivot and went back down right away? Sometimes what I do is that if I see this, I'll take it. I'm going to show you. If
Order submitted. Target filled. Target filled.
Why again? It's because the tick went up and then it went back down. So that's telling me that it's going to have a hard time to go back up. So that's a chance you can take. Manage your risk again. Deuxième, I got 215 done. Very possible that it goes back up. Oh, it keeps going down. Alright, this is my next level right here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles. Je vais prendre les 5 chandelles. 1, 2, 3. Whoop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Then let's see, I'm gonna wait for the next one. This one needs to close below. See, close right here, which is the # prior close. Not prior close, but prior what open. So this is very strong. Never take trades. When you get those dash blue, dash purple, don't take any trades around there. Too dangerous. Trop dangereux de prendre des trades avec les dash blue ou les dash mauve. You see, I would have broke my neck. So the good thing here is I still have $215. I did 2 trades. It's 11:15. Usually 11:20 I want to stop. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna try to make my 300. Let's see if I can do it. I don't want to wait too long. Usually when it gets closer to 12 o'clock, it's not as good. You see how it's not, it does this, don't forget this point, that This is another resistance. I've got this one, the prior close, and the prior open, sorry. So, and then right underneath I've got another resistance. Regardez ici, that's 5 minutes, prior close, prior open. It doesn't really want to go below. For the moment it may. Looks like it doesn't want to go below. So it may go back up. Okay. See what happened? It broke it. It really went down here. So let's see. Let's see what this one gives me. 8 seconds. So we had a wick, push back up, then we had the strong sellers. I've got 7 seconds left. I'm going to go for it. I'm going to sell.
Order submitted. Target filled.
And I was able to get it. I only got it because I saw this candle, red, this strong candle. And it was telling me basically, and I could see the space that I got here. Même chose ici, look on the 5 minutes. So if I keep going, let's keep going a little bit, but I would be done for the day now. No more trades for me. I'm at 325. I didn't do any copy trading. If I did copy trading, I could have made a lot more, right? More accounts, more money. 10 accounts at 325, it's $3,200. Donc j'aurais pu aller chercher beaucoup plus d'argent si j'avais fait du copy trading avec plusieurs autres accounts, plusieurs autres comptes. So you can see, I think it's going to go like this. But anyway, I'm done for the day. I just wanted to show you those 3 trades. Je voulais vous montrer ces 3 trades. So let's go back again. Did I take 3? Yeah. One was right here. Underneath the 50, this is risky. Risky because look at all this congestions here. Risky trade. Then nothing. See how long I waited? Then it went down. This one, it's a little risky too because I'm right below the pivot. But remember, it touched the pivot and then it went down. So I figured that I should be able to go and get my 2.75 points. Finally, same story here. This is a prior open. So prior open or prior close on top here, purple. Very dangerous. But I saw this candle going down, go back up, touch the prior open. Then this one here, and even if it closed here below the box, I didn't take it because it was so close. So I waited for this one. I saw it went down, very solid, right? Very small wick, petit wick, très solide, went down. And then I decided when it was all red right here, it's the tool you see, and I decided to take it there. And that's the distance I went from the pink to the blue. That was the length of my trade, quelques secondes, a few seconds. That gives me $110, $105. All right. So that's it for today. Thanks so much. Merci à tous. Et